Assalamualaikum. Let's learn shapes. Circle, circle.
Circle, circle.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Square, square, square.
Square, square, square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Heart, heart.
Heart, heart.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Star, star, star.
Star, star, star.
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Diamond, diamond.
Diamond, diamond.
Oval.
Oval.
Cone, cone, cone.
Cone, cone, cone.
Cylinder.